As you can see, this is the stall with the light, so that it can we can clearly see what we're doing. So as we are preparing our dough, for one packet you get pepper, then carrot, ginger, and then an onion. So you have your grater, you grate these things. Then after we put water and milk, that is 1 cup of milk. Then we shall add ingredients fine, so that when you mix the dough they don't appear, but their taste stays. Now we are adding milk to our grated ingredient, as you can see. So you add milk, then water to make that amount that will mix 1 packet or a number of packets. Each packet water 2 cups is enough. And we are here to make Now we add wheat, and for this case we are using a zam. So now we start mixing and knead very well until it is ready. Someone will ask, how do you know that the wheat is the dough is ready? Usually when you put in when you punch it, it must be a bit elastic. You try deforming it by maybe putting a finger, it should try to go back to its original shape. So we knead it very well. For this case we've mixed 1 packet, put 1 cup of milk, added another cup of water. So knead it very well with some energy.
Kasaze Eugene is no of you. Obakuba obasindika message kwe mu mukaga bbiri. Ofuna omukisa okuzuulibwa yonna gy'oli. Airtel, the smartphone network.
Julia, wanyi mami. Ejo birthday yo. Wategeka okujaganya. Wabale mami. Oyagala ngule keki kikaki. Nene mami nze saagala keki. Oyagala ki? Njagala mugaati ne blue band spread for bread asiigibwa ku migaati. Weesirikire. Kasita oyogedde. Give me a high five.
Obuwoomi bw'omugaati.
Eddoboozi ziryoka tukwagulisa ssuubira kumakya kandi bakatambula natera kukiggala baaba kubanga akade nakaleka kapimpya mu keri akate maama obudde budduse nabo bulikendina awuwa bwatugamba atyo otyo
Get that ball, you roll it here using this weight. Then after you make something like that. Now we add oil to fry. So this is my customer, very lovely and sweet. She's from where the dam is. She's shy, very shy.